F-35A is the most lethal multi-role fighter jet in the world. If you ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, here's your answer. Speed of sound, which equates to nearly 1,200 miles per hour. Today we will showcase just a fraction of this engine's capability. Watch now as Major Wolf accelerates to just below the speed of sound, covering an incredible 3-foot-long speed bang. Is crucial. The Lightning II's advanced flight control combined with its powerful engine gives the F-35 an impressive 1,500-foot turn radius. As Major Wolf approaches show center, she will light the afterburner with bank sharpener, pressing her to the seat with up to 9 Gs or 9 times the force of gravity. After completing the turn, the F-35 will power straight up into a vertical climb and quickly change direction, flipping end over end, a maneuver we call the Lightning Loop. From your right, the Lightning II's combat radius turn. She flies across the aerobatic container. Coming in from your right, Major Wolf performing the inverted pass. Incredible ability to hold its nose at will in a dogfight. Watch closely as the time and then while undergoing complete control and without respect, Major Wolf executing full 360-degree flight turn. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lightning II pedal turn. Aircraft in the world, the F-35's flight controls give our pilots a distinct advantage to outmaneuver their opponents. As Major Wolf approaches show center, she will complete more than 135 degrees of heading change in 3 seconds. Slide to tail the F-35 through the turn and powerfully climb out of the maneuver. Closing in from the right, ladies and gentlemen, the tactical pitch. As Major Wolf repositions the F-35 in preparation for heritage flight, I would like to give a shout out to our expert maintenance team that made today's demonstration possible. Our F-35 dedicated crew chiefs, Staff Sergeant Jeffrey Williams from Mobile, Alabama, Senior Airman Jessica Beaver from Owatonna, Minnesota, Senior Airman Jesse Easley from Houston, Texas, Staff Sergeant Austin Noivon from Syracuse, Utah. Our Team Public Affairs Advisor, Staff Sergeant Thomas Parley from Menifee, California. Keep your eyes peeled.